Welcome to the Imagine Center, a place of oneness. My name is Thomas, and today we're going to be talking about black tourmaline. Black tourmaline is mostly found in Brazil and Africa, and ancient magicians would use it for protection. Black tourmaline is a strong protection stone that can keep you safe from negative energies and psychic attacks. It can also guard against radiation and environmental pollutants. Black tourmaline is tied to the root chakra, and it helps you feel safe and secure. There's many different forms of black tourmaline. We have a few here. This one is a large raw piece. We have smaller tumbled pieces that you can keep in your pocket or in a bag when you're walking around. And lastly, there's bracelets, and this is an easy way that you can just have the black tourmaline on you at all times and keep you protected. This ensures that you are given that protection the whole time that you're wearing it, and it's a really good look just to wear around. Another way to use black tourmaline is to put it underneath your bed while you sleep. This is to help protect you even while you're sleeping from any negative entities or energies that are trying to harm you. The last way that you can use black tourmaline is you can place it in the corners of your room, creating a grid and a safe environment in that room for you. Thank you for joining us at the Imagine Center, your spiritual oasis for the soul.